Welcome to this week's news updates from Medical Update Online. This week, we're taking a look at the impact physical exercise and social media have on anxiety and depression in young people. We'll then take a look at ADHD and how stimulant treatment can prevent serious outcomes. A study has shown that increased levels of physical activity can significantly reduce the odds of depression, even among people who are genetically predisposed to this condition. In a paper published in the Journal of Depression and Anxiety, the team reported that individuals who engaged in at least several hours of exercise each week were less likely to be diagnosed with a new episode of depression, even in the face of high genetic risk for this disorder. In this story, we will look at the link between teen anxiety and social media use. The time people spend on social media has been controversial in recent times. The amount of time teenagers spend on social networking sites has risen 62.5% since 2012, and it continues to grow. Just last year, the average time teenagers spent on social media was estimated at 2.6 hours per day. Critics have claimed that more screen time is increasing depression and anxiety in teenagers. However, new research led by Sarah Coyne, a professor of family life at Brigham Young University, found the amount of time spent on social media is not directly increasing anxiety or depression in teenagers. There is some new data relating to ADHD. An analysis of 3 previous studies of children and young adults with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, quantifies for the first time the extent to which stimulant treatment reduces the development of mood disorders, school problems, conduct disorders, substance use disorders, and other problems. This study, led by Massachusetts General Hospital investigators, is being published online in the Journal of Adolescent Health. Joseph Biederman, MD, Chief of the Pediatric Psychopharmacology and Adult ADHD Program at MGH, commented, "Our study documents that early treatment with stimulant medication has very strong protective effects against the development of serious ADHD complications like mood and anxiety disorders, conduct and oppositional defiant disorder, addictions, driving impairments, and academic failure. In quantifying the improvements seen with stimulant treatment, it measures its potency in mitigating specific functional outcomes." Now we have the evidence, allowing us to say that stimulant treatment of ADHD prevents the development of several very serious functional outcomes, says Biederman. However, the impact on other serious outcomes, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, traumatic brain injury, suicide risk, and employment success, still needs to be investigated. Thanks for watching this week's news from Medical Update Online. To keep up to date with all of our videos, or to look at each story in detail, subscribe for regular updates using the link below.